Srinath Chakravarti. Srinath Chakravarti is a disciple of Advaitacharya. He's a direct associate of Lord Chaitanya. He wrote the essence of Lord Chaitanya's teachings. Aradhya Bhagavan Brajeshat Aradhya, it's in Prabhupada Shloka book. Aradhya, begins with A. Aradhya Bhagavan Brajeshatanyos Sridam Vrindavanam Ramya Kachit Upasana Ramya Kachit Upasana Brajavadubir Sakalpita. He's saying Ramya, what kind of upasana? Upasana means the method of worship, the sadhana. How do you worship? How do you think? How do you meditate? It should be Ramya Upasana. Ramya means like the delightful gopis. Brajavaru. Ramya Upasana. Ramya means Raman, means Madhuri Upasana, means Paraki Upasana, means worshipping Krishna in the mood of a lover, worshipping Krishna in the mood of a gopi, Sakhi Manjari, like Radharani, like Lalita Vishaka, like Tulsi Manjari, Rupa Manjari. Ramya Upasana. Brajavadu. Ramya, who are the exponents and personifications of Ramya Upanisana? Who are the exponents and exemplars of Ramya Upasana? The method of worshiping Krishna. The method of, we worship the object of love, Prem Purushottam, with the sadhana of love. And the sadhana of love is called Raganuga Bhakti. Because rag means love, attachment, attraction. Ramya Kachit Upasana, Brajavadu. Brajavadu, Vadu, word Vadu means the newly married brides of Vrindavan, the tender, sweet girls of Vrindavan, newly married. And where does this idea come from? Srimad Bhagavatam, Pramanam Amalam Puranam. Prema Pumartha Mahan, Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu Matam, Idam Matam Natatra Adara. There is no other way. This is the mati, this is the idea, the concept, this is the concept, the idea, the principle, the philosophy, the teachings of Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. And all Gaudiya Vaishnavas, actually when we receive in our particular lineage, our lineage of the Advaita Parivar, when we receive our Diksha Patra, it's written on, this verse is written on the top in Bengali.